Are you someone who misses the income tax due dates often? Or are you someone who thinks that it is okay to file your ITR after the original due date but before the belated return due date? Then this video is a must watch for you. Watch it till the end to know all the 7 reasons of filing your return within the due date. Hello and welcome. I am Prarthana from ClearTax, India's largest tax and financial services platform, and today I am going to talk about the 7 reasons why you should file your ITR within the due date. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Well, filing your ITR return within the due date should not be considered as mere compliance or maybe a burden. However, timely filing of your income tax return offers many benefits. Let us see what these benefits are. Reason number 1, faster processing of income tax refund. Well, if you are not liable to pay any tax but TDS or tax deducted at source has been deducted from your income, then the refund of your tax deducted at source can be claimed only by filing the return of income. Hence, it becomes mandatory to file ITR if you want to claim a refund. Also, if the return is filed within the due date, then the refund processing is faster than the belated returns. Secondly, easy loan approval. Applying for any kind of loan, may it be a house loan, car loan, personal loan, education loan for your children, or maybe any other loan application, needs the past 2 to 3 years of filed ITR as income proof of the applicant. The bank or a financial institution considers the ITR or the income mentioned in the ITR for deciding the eligibility of the loan. Many banks would not be confident in approving loans to an applicant who has not filed past returns within the due date, except in some exceptional cases, of course. Number 3, carry forward your losses. Have you incurred any loss in the previous year? Capital gain loss or maybe business loss, etc. Then it is a must for you to file the return within the due date. The taxpayer can carry forward losses only when he or she has filed the ITR within the due date. Now, let me give you an example. A stock market investor incurs a long-term capital loss in financial year 2020-21. This loss can be carried forward only when he or she files the ITR for this year within the due date, which is extended to 30th of September 2021. Carry forward of losses will help the taxpayer set off the loss amount with future year gains. So, after all of these reasons, do you think filing of return within the due date is very important? Well, if you agree with us, then please type yes below in the comment section. Let us now proceed to reason number 4, and that is avoid penalties. A late filing fee is applicable for filing your returns after the due date under section 234F of the Income Tax Act. The maximum penalty can be levied up to Rs 10,000. First, if you file your ITR after the due date, which is 30th September for FY 2021, but before 31st December, a penalty of Rs 5,000 will be levied. And secondly, for returns filed later than 31st December of the relevant assessment year, the penalty imposed will be increased to Rs 10,000. Well, there is a relief given to small taxpayers. The IT department has stated that if the total income does not exceed 5 lakh, then the maximum penalty levied for delay will be Rs 1,000. So, file your ITR within the due date and save yourself from the additional burden of penalty. Moving on to number 5. Avoid interest on tax payable due to the delay in filing ITR. Unless all your income is subject to TDS, any delay in filing your return would also create a delay in the payment of taxes, as the actual tax payable can be assessed after the final assessment of your income. Income Tax Act levies interest under Section 234A at 1% per month or the part of the month for delay in payment of taxes due to delay in filing of return of income. Number 6. Loss of interest on tax refund. If you have a tax refund and you file your return within the due date, then the Income Tax Department pays interest on such tax refund amount from 1st April of the assessment year to the date on which the refund is granted.
Firstly, if a return is filed within the original due date, however, in the case of belated returns, the interest shall be payable from the date of filing the return of income to the date on which the refund is granted. And secondly, if a return is filed after the original due date, that is, belated return is filed. Hence, if the return is filed after the due date, there will be a loss of interest in the taxpayer's tax refund.
Lastly, refer and earn. You can file your ITR with ClearTax within 7 minutes. All you need to do is download the Black app by ClearTax and file your return within the due date. Also, refer to your family and friends and earn rewards for the same. How amazing is that? I am sure after knowing these reasons, you would not want to delay in filing your income tax return. File your return within the due date, which is 30th of September for the financial year 2020-2021, and enjoy all the benefits of returns of filing. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching it, and also please do like, share and subscribe to ClearTax's YouTube channel for more such informative videos. Also, do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get an update as and when we upload new videos for you all. Stay tuned and take care.